Implementing planned preventative maintenance, or PPM, plays a vital role in prolonging the life of your checkweigher and avoiding expensive periods of inactivity. It's worth noting that PPM schedules are commonly mandated by auditors. Now, let's delve into some of the fundamental PPM checks for your checkweigher. Before undertaking any electrical or pneumatic maintenance tasks on your checkweigher or metal detector, it is imperative to adhere to the lockout, tagout, or LOTO procedures. LOTO guarantees that the equipment cannot be re-energized and ensures its safety during the service and maintenance activities. Now, let's replace the conveyor belt with a new one. Follow these steps. First, remove the idle roller and inspect it for any damage or excessive wear. Replace the idle roller if necessary. Then, remove the conveyor retaining bolt and detach the conveyor and drive belt. From there, just separate the conveyor from the unit and remove the old belt. Now, install the new belt on the conveyor, taking care not to damage it. Reinstall the idle roller, then carefully reattach the conveyor and drive belt. Finally, just tighten the retaining bolts for your conveyor. Incorrectly adjusted reject mechanisms can cause damage and premature wear to your components. Ensure that the push reject mechanism is properly adjusted by following these steps. First, check the reject adjustment. If the reject is pushing too hard and returning too forcefully on the backstroke, it needs to be corrected. So, set the air pressure correctly for the pusher reject. This is usually around 4 bar or 58 psi. Now, adjust the backflow of the reject to reduce the backstroke force and fine-tune the timing on the outstroke, so the reject arm only reaches approximately 3/4 of the stroke length. This prevents impacts on the stops and extends the life of your cylinder. Test the reject by running a product on the conveyor to ensure it is not exerting excessive force. After making these adjustments, test them with live product to ensure their effectiveness. These are some basic steps for planned preventative maintenance on your checkweigher. If you would like to schedule a visit from a Stevens engineer, please contact our service team today by emailing service@stevenstraceability.com, calling 01-254 685 200, or visiting our website at www.stevenstraceability.com.